Hello, in this video we are going to make a jumping game on Scratch. So before we start making this game, let me first show you how this game looks like. See, as you can see, there is a basically there are two characters. One is a cat and one is a bird. Now when I press the green flag, our game will start like this. See, now what is happening in this game is that the cat is continuously running towards the bird, and to dodge the cat the bird is jumping from its place, and the moment the bird touches the cat our game stops. Alright, and if you will see on the top there is a score also. Now, whenever the bird successfully jumps and dodges the cat, our score increases by 10 points. And when the bird touches the cat, our score also stops. So, such kind of game we are going to make today. So, let's start. First of all, we need to select our sprites. What were the sprites we use? A cat and a bird. So we'll go to the sprite option here and click on this. Now you'll be seeing different kind of categories here like animals, people, fantasy, dance, music. So we only need to choose a sprite. Those are animals. We'll click on this. So here you will see like we are having a cat. We click on this, and to choose another sprite again we follow the same step. We click on the animals and we click on this bird. Okay, just a check. All right, so we are having our two sprites here. Now in order to look like a game, what we are going to do, we are going to set a backdrop also, a background picture. So to set a background picture, we'll click on the backdrop option. You'll see choose a backdrop. We'll click on this, and you'll be seeing a lot of different kind of backdrops here. So let us select this one, the blue sky. Now when you click on this, you'll be seeing that the backdrop is applied to our stage and it is visible here. Now let's place our cat and duck in their position. Like if you remember the game I shown you, the cat was running from this corner and the bird was in this corner. Alright. So first, if you look at the cat, then it is facing in the opposite direction. In order the cat should move face toward the duck, what we are going to do, first we select the cat sprite, and on the top left corner you will see code. Next to that is a costume option. We click on the costume and you will see there are two costumes for our cat. So as of now you'll see the direction it is opposite. So what we'll do, you'll be seeing an option of flip horizontal here. So we click on this and you will notice that the now our cat is facing towards our bird. Similarly, for the second option, second costume also, we'll click on the flip horizontal and it is facing towards our bird. Alright, so our bird and the cat is in are they at their position. Now let's start doing the writing the code for our game. So first what we are going to do, we are going to select an event like when our game should start. So we'll go to the control and above it is the event option. There you will see a when green flag click. We'll click on this and bring it to our coding area. Now, what is going to happen? See, we want that our cat, whenever we press our green flag, the cat should start from this position only, and it should look like it is running from here, that is the right corner, to the left corner, or it is running towards the bird. So we are going to initialize the position, the fix the position of a cat. Like in previous videos, I have already shown you this thing, how to position our sprite. So for that, we are going to go click on this motion block, and here you will see the go to block, the go to X and Y. We'll click on this and drag and bring it here, place it here. Now, if you want to find out what is the position of our sprite, like as of now, if I click on this cat, then you will see X and Y written here. And what is the value of X? 192. Similarly, for Y, it is having the position of minus 109. So same position we'll put it here also. Now, our next step will be, we want that the cat should come running from right corner to the left. So if you remember, I have also explained to you about the glide option, how our sprite can glide, and in the time seconds, like if we click on this, bring it here. Now what's written here? Glide 1 seconds to X 192, Y minus 109. So this one, it is the second number of seconds in which we want that the cat should come, start from here and should come here. Okay, so 1 minute is enough. Now this is the initial position, and here if we click on the cat and drag it, place it here, so this is the ending position. So if you see, now the value of X and Y have changed. What is the value of X? Minus 202. And what is the value of Y? Minus 108. So same value we are going to place it here also, like minus 202 and minus 10. Let's keep it 9 only. Alright. So what will happen now? If you want to check our code, you can click on the green flag, like as of now, place it here. We click on the green flag. See, every time I click on the green flag, the cat is looking at us, but it doesn't look like it is running. So first of all, we are going to keep it in a loop. Remember, I have told you before also, the looping statement. So what we are going to do, in the control block, we are having a repeat loop, a repeat and a forever. Like repeat is for fixed number of steps, like for 10 steps only, and forever is for any number of steps. So we'll click on the forever, bring it here like this under the when green flag click. So now if I click on the green flag, see what is happening. Our cat continuously start from here and keep running here to this towards the bird. Now, as of now, if you see, the cat legs are not moving. So for that, what we'll do? Okay. So for that, again, we want that the cat should look like it is running. So we'll click on the green flag again. We'll bring this event block here, and in the looks option, if you'll go, you will see our next costume. Okay, if I click on show you the costume, see here the cat legs are like this. The next costume, it is looks like it is running. So same we are going to do here. We want that the cat should keep on changing its costume. or it should look like it is running. Now, what will happen here? As of now, that our cat should is going to change a costume, but for how long? We are going to specify some amount of time also. So for that we have a wait block in our control option. We click on this and bring it here, and we can increase or decrease the number of time also, number of seconds. And again, we want that the cat should always look like it is running, not just once or twice, always. So we'll place a forever block here also, like this. Now if I click on the green flag now and look what is the change happening here. See, the cat legs looks like it is moving, but it is not moving that fast. Okay, so we can reduce the time again, like this. See, now it looks like the cat is running. All right. And one more thing. What do we want? We want that every time the cat is going to start from here. Okay, and when it reaches here, it disappears. All right. So for that, we have again two different blocks, two codes here in the looks option. We have a show and we have a hide. So where we are going to place the show? Whenever our game is going to start. So here, like this. And when do we want that our cat should become invisible? When it reaches to the end of the screen, like here, like this. Now if you'll see, if I click on the green flag now, see, so this was about the coding of our for our cat. Now we want to code our bird also, like the duck. It should jump whenever the cat reaches here. So again the same way, same procedure, we click on this bird sprite, and what we'll do, first of all we select an event. We'll go to the event block, click on the when green flag click and bring it here. Now what do we want? Let's stop our cat as of now. See, we want that our bird should always remain in this position when our game starts. So as of now the bird is having let's check the position x minus 204, y minus 121. So in the same way as we have done for the cat, we are here also we are going to do the same thing for our duck. We'll fix the position with the help of go to block. We'll click on the go to and drag it and bring it here, minus 204 and minus 121. So whenever we are going to click on this green flag, our bird should automatically comes here. Now what we'll do, suppose as of now if you remember, if our bird touches the cat, then our game is over, like the game should stop. So if you look here, we are having an option called sensing. So we are having an option called sensing. We'll click on this and you will see here, what you will see, there is a option here like touching mouse pointer. All right, now see, we want that whenever our duck touches the cat, then only the game should stop. So the very first thing, what are we waiting for? We use a wait block first, like wait until what? Wait until our bird or duck touches the cat. So we'll bring this touching mouse pointer block here and insert it in this block. Now you will see an arrow key. Click on this and you will see an option of cat, that is our sprite. Now when the duck or bird it touches the cat, then the game is going to stop. If you want that the bird should make a sound also, we'll go to our sound block and you'll see a sound start sound chirp. We'll click on this, drag and bring it here. Now after this what should happen? Everything should stop. So we have a stop all block here in the control block option. So we'll click on this and insert it here. Now see whenever the cat is touching the bird, it is making a chirp sound and the game stops. So what will happen if suppose as of now we want that the duck should dodge the cat or jump above the cat. So let's write a code for that also. So the very first thing we are going to start, we'll click on an event. When green flag click, bring it here. And what do we want? We want that here. Like as of now, the bird is our duck or bird it is here, and whenever the cat approaches here, the bird should jump up to this position. Yes. So what we'll do? What is this position? This is like a minus 150. Sorry. Yeah. As of now, see, as of now, our bird is at Y. Just focus on this. The Y position. Y is minus 121. Now, if the cat comes here, we want that the bird should jump at least this. So what we'll do? We are doing a change in the Y direction only. So we'll go to the motion block and we'll select change Y by 10. Click on this and bring it here, please. Now how much change it is coming? Like from 120, 100, okay. Yes. Now from 121, the amount of change is like here. Now see. So we want that the bird should jump up to till this height, like 0. So the change is of how much? 120 units. And like this. See, our game as of now it is incomplete. That is why it is stuck here. So what we'll do, that our bird should be here and for a fixed amount of time also. So we are going to put the time, like the wait block, that our bird should wait for some amount of time in the air and it should come back to its position, that is on the ground again. So we have selected the time of 0.5 seconds. Now see what happens. Okay. So what we'll do, we want if you look at this, the costumes of this bird, we are having A, B and C. So we want that in order that the bird should look like it is moving, we need to keep on changing the costumes. So we'll go to the looks block and we'll click on the next costume. First we'll place it here and after this again we'll place it here, like this. So every time bird is doing some movement, its costume is going to change. Now, as of now, bird is here. Again, we want that the bird should come back to its place. So once it is going by up by 120, so again it is going to come down by 120 units. So we'll go to the control and yes, we'll click on this. No, sorry. We'll go to the motion block and we'll click on the change by again. By how much? Minus 120. And again, when the bird come back to its place, its costume should change again. And with this, see. Now see, do you really think that like as of now we have chosen the when green flag pick, but we want this thing to happen when we press our space bar key. So what we'll do, we'll remove this top one, and in place of that, what we'll do, we'll select when space key pressed. We'll bring it here. Now see what is happening. See, now the moment I'm pressing the space bar, our duck it is jumping. All right. So our major part of our project is completed. Now let us put the score also. How to put the score? So what we'll do, you'll be seeing an option of variables here. We click on the variables and you will see there is an option of make a variable. Click on this and you can just give any name like score. For all sprites, click on OK. Now our score should be 0 whenever we click on the green flag. So we are going to use this set my variable to 0. We'll click on this, bring it here. In place of my variable we want the score, or the variable which we made right now. Then what we'll do, do you think it is going to get executed now? No, because we haven't chosen any event. We'll go to again the event and we choose when the green flag is clicked like this. So whenever we'll click on the green flag, our score should be set to 0. Now how we are going to change the score? So again we'll go to the variable. Okay, again we'll go to the variable and you will see change my variable by this many. So we'll click on this, and what is happening, whenever our bird is jumping, then only it is change, our score is increasing. So in place of change variable, my variable will select score, and by how much we want the change, by 10. All right. So now see, let us check our code. So our score are also set. Now one more thing. Suppose you want, like if you look at the background, it is not looking like it is moving. So in order that it should look as if it is moving, what we do, we can add some additional thing like a cloud here. So we are going to select another sprite like this and click on choose a sprite, and what we'll do, if we scroll down you will see clouds like this. We'll select this one and see this, we are going to place it anywhere like here like this. And when you click on the costumes, you will see the cloud is having different costumes. So in order to look like it is moving, we are going to use it like this. See, we are going to write the code for a cloud. The very first thing, we are going to select an event like when green flag is clicked, and when the cloud is here, let's say as of now it is here, so we want that it should be visible. So we'll click on the show, and the position here is x205y138. We want that the cloud should start from here only. So we'll go to the motion block, use our goto statement like this, and it should start moving from here and come till this place. So what we are going to use, we are going to use glide like this. Then after this, the moment it reaches here, it should hide. It should not be visible. So what, how we are going to do that? Same like in the previous step as we have done. We are going to select hide block like this, and see now the next time when the cloud should come, it should come in, the cloud should come in different costume. So what we'll do, we'll change its costume, like in the looks only we are having next costume, and we want this process to be repeated again and again till our game is going on. So we are going to use a forever block like this. Now see what happens. See, it is like the focus on the cloud also. So with this we are done with our coding, and we have completed our project, the jumping game. So you also, everyone, use this code, make this game, and you can try, you can experiment by changing the values here, and or by using different sprites also. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.